This is Haka House, designed by Taouk Architects, located in Melbourne, Australia. The story begins with this mesmerizing facade, where light plays hide-and-seek through the intricate brickwork. It creates a bold, inviting mystery that hints at the warmth waiting inside. Stepping indoors, the atmosphere softens into pure comfort. The herringbone floors guide you to this cozy hearth, where raw brick textures quietly remind you of the home's protective shell. In the heart of the home, functionality becomes art. This curved stone island isn't just for cooking. It is a sculptural centerpiece that invites connection, conversation, and culinary creativity. Our journey finds its quietest moment here. Bathed in heaven-sent light from the skylight above, this textured sanctuary offers a private, peaceful escape from the noise of the outside world. To discover more hidden corners and angles of this beautiful home, please watch this video until the end. We hope this story inspires your own dream home.